Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I make my very own aloe vera scalp oil. I wear my hair in protective styles 90% of the time, and I'm going to show you how I keep my scalp moisturized, itch free, as well as how I grow my natural hair. So if you want to see how I make my aloe vera scalp oil, keep watching.
So we are going to start today's video jumping right into everything we're going to need. I'm going to be using some extra aloe vera that I had in my fridge, and I'm going to be cutting this aloe vera down into thin slices. This is what your slices should look like. Get them as thin as possible because we are going to cook our aloe vera. Today I'm going to be using coconut oil, but you can use an avocado oil or any oil that has a high temperature. I'm going to be using 2 large teaspoons of coconut oil and the temperature on my stove is at a very low simmer. So I'm going to continue to melt that coconut oil, and then I'm going to add my aloe vera. Now it's very easy for aloe vera to cook fast, especially when using coconut oil. So I like to keep the temperature very low. I started off at the same temperature that I would cook scrambled eggs. So depending on your stove, that temperature will vary. However, as you can see, it started to fry very fast. So I actually lowered the temperature and I allowed the aloe vera to continue to cook. So once you are done cooking your aloe vera, you want to allow it to cool off before you transfer it into your container. I'm going to be using a drainer. I found these really cute applicator bottles in the dollar store, and I'm going to be adding some essential oils. I'm going to be using peppermint oil, and then later on I am going to add a little bit of lavender. So I'm going to shift out the aloe vera oil, and I'm going to apply it to my applicator bottles, and I'm going to allow the aloe vera oil to drain. Now I'm going to be adding my essential oils here. Again, I'm adding peppermint oil, and then I'm going in with a few drops of lavender for smell, and I like using this at night to help me relax. Now I'm going to show you how I apply it to my daughter's hair. Here is how I use my DIY aloe vera hair butter and the oil. I am going to have a video on that butter very soon, but I like to take the aloe vera oil and apply it to her braids as I am taking them down. It just helps to make this process a lot easier, and it helps so that her hair does not break off as I'm taking her braids apart. So this is my older daughter, and her hair resembles my texture, so it's very dry on the scalp. So I like to use the aloe vera oil to moisturize her scalp and help to relieve the itching. That's why peppermint is the essential oil of my choice. And then I also like to go in between her parts, add a little more oil, and then I'm going to go in with my hair butter. Again, I will have a detailed video on how I make this very soon, so make sure you are subscribed. And I'm going to take that hair butter and I'm going to apply it directly to her hair, and as you can see, the shine is amazing. It's a very lightweight oil, but it does have all of the nutrients and properties that her hair needs so that it does not break or shed. So I'm going to add a little more hair butter, and then I'm going to put her hair right back into her ponytail, and she's going to continue to wear her protective styling. So as I am reapplying her braids, I like to take a little more of the hair butter and apply it to the ends. Of course, the ends of the hair is the oldest hair, so you want to make sure that that hair is always hydrated. And then there you go. She has her protective style in. I have sealed in the moisture in her hair, and she's ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. My next tutorial, I'm going to show you how I make my DIY aloe vera shea butter. It's a really simple recipe. It's easy to make. You can make it in large quantities and it works amazing. So make sure you thumbs up this video so I know that you guys want to see. And that video will be up shortly. So I will see you guys in the next tutorial.